Hey guys, Ben Will here at BMW of Reading. I just wanted to leave you guys with a tip today for how to better utilize some of the features on your BMW. Now, with this one, you'll first want to check and see if you have comfort access or an automatic trunk on your car. I'm going to show you how to open it up with your foot. All you need to do is stand about 3 feet behind the car, behind the trunk, square yourself up with the rondelle in the middle, and just give a quick little kick underneath the bumper. Now, you just want to act as if you're slowly kicking a soccer ball. You don't need to actually make contact. As you can see, the trunk's going to raise up. Now, if your car is also equipped with a fully automatic trunk or tailgate, you can go ahead and close it with your foot too. So, all you need to do is give another kick. This time you're going to get an audible beep just to make sure you're out of the way, and your trunk's going to close. So again, as I said, not every car is equipped with this feature. So if you find yourself outside kicking away, just call in and ask us to make sure your car has it. We can run the VIN and check it for you. Now, if you guys have any other tips or questions you have about your BMWs, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I'm here to help. Have a great day, guys. Bye.